Rohan sits in front. His clothes are torn, hair messy, and eyes show a strange madness. In his hand is an old, rusted steel tiffin box. He holds it tight to his chest. Inspector Vikram sits opposite. Two constables step forward and Rohan shouts loudly. There is silence spread across the room and Inspector Vikram signals the constables to stop.
Are you mad? Come on, Rohan, tell me. Why did you beat that man half dead? 3 hours now, Rohan. 3 hours. And you keep saying the same thing? You smashed his head. Villagers wanted to burn you alive if my team did not reach on time.
This is not gold, sir. This is more precious than that.
Take this box from him.
Do not touch it. Dare anyone touch it. These are my mom's breaths.
Mom? In this iron box?
Inside this is the last thing that keeps me alive. If this opens, my world will end, sir.
Rohan, hey Rohan, get up son, morning is here, time to set up the cart.
Mom, why did you get up? Doctor said rest, right?
Rest is waste son, today is Sunday, villagers will come for mutton. If late, customers will go, take bath. I will grind spices till then. I feel a bit weak today.
Don't you dare to touch the spices. Today you only rest. I will make the mutton.
You will make it, let it be. Where is that taste in your hands? Customers will run away.
Mom, I'm not a small kid now. Watching you daily, I have become expert too. Watch today. I will make such mutton curry that people lick their fingers. You just clean the cart. Rest is on me.
Pride shows in Savitri's eyes. Rohan rolls up sleeves and starts work.
Wow. Hey Savitri. Today's mutton has some magic. Feels like I can eat it all.
Hey, today's mutton is not mine. Rohan made it. Rohan son, you left mom behind.
Thank you, Kaka.
Then a black jeep stops, kicking up dust. Silence falls. Two goons of Munshi, Chotan and Billa, get down from the jeep.
Hey, old lady. Quick, 2 plates. And listen, put leg piece, no bone, huh? Quick.
Billa comes to cart, peeks in pot.
Hey kid, what are you seeing? Serve in clean plate. No chair to sit? What nonsense shop is this? Damn, no proper place in whole village to eat in peace. Come on, quickly bring 2 glasses of water and serve us fast.
Ramu Kaka cannot stay quiet. He speaks up.
Hey Billa brother, what are you saying? We eat mom's mutton hand made for 3 years. She makes it so clean that even big hotels don't match. Taste is out of this world. See today's, how tasty it is.
Chotan turns to Ramu Kaka in anger.
Hey you bat, don't act too smart. Eat quiet and leave. You live in that 4th lane, right? I will beat you so much that you forget your address. Understand? Come as protector of others. Forgot Pintu's beating last time? Washed him so bad, he limps till today. Go straight from here like a train, or I will make you a track right here.
Ramu Kaka gets scared. He leaves half-eaten food and slips away quietly. Rohan clenches fist, anger rising, but Savitri holds his hand.
Here you go, brothers. Your mutton.
Hey boy, tomorrow pack 3 plates for me. My aunt is coming. Need to feed her. Okay?
Money I will note in old account, right?
Money? You are not paying Munshi's loan, so forgive this as interest. Pack it properly or I will get your shop and house auctioned. Come on, Billa. Let's go from here now.
Both leave laughing without paying. Rohan and Savitri watch helplessly. Evening falls. Both head home. Rohan pulls the cart. Savitri walks behind. Rohan's face looks sad. They reach home and sit to eat. Son, do not feel bad about those goons' words. They are Munshi's pet dogs. They say such things on purpose to break our spirit.
Mom, when will this Munshi leave us alone? We work so hard, yet live in fear. How long, Mom? Why do they do this to us?
Listen, son, today I will tell you a truth. Your dad and I sold wedding jewels to buy this homeland, but we lacked money to build the house. Raw or not, we needed a roof. So your dad took 10 lakh loan from Munshi Girdhari.
10 lakhs? That's so much.
Yes, but bad luck. As soon as house was built, your dad's health failed. All money went to his illness. Then he passed away. Whole family burden and heavy loan fell on me.
So, how much left now?
Do not worry, your mom is not weak. Selling mutton day night, I paid 1/4, around 2.5 lakhs of loan. Now you too have learned mutton. Make better than me. If we both work hard, we will pay rest too. All will be fine, son. Rohan gets emotional seeing mom's courage.
Yes, Mom. I will work day night. We pay this loan and build strong house too.
Morning comes, Rohan stands at cart. Then a young man in suit boot, black glasses arrives.
Hey, Mukku brother. You? After so many days?
Hey, Rohan, my brother. I went to city. Started new work there. Visa consultancy. Get visa and passport for jobs in Dubai and Saudi. Now I am a visa agent. So, life is good.
Savitri, washing dishes behind, hears and comes forward. Son Mukku, live long. One request, get job for my Rohan in Dubai too. God bless you.
Hey, auntie, why requesting? Rohan is like my brother.
You are good man, son. See, he makes great mutton. People there must love it, right?
Auntie, you took words from my mouth. Big hotels there need Indian cooks. Rohan has magical hands. Do not worry, next month's flight is set. Rohan goes Dubai, earns in riyals. So Rohan, pack your bags, brother.
Really, brother?
Yes, bro. Just prepare passport and visa.
Wave of joy spreads. Put everything, son. Sweater, pickle.
Hey, my mom, I'm going to Dubai, not hostel. Why you are sitting in smoke? Doctor forbids you.
Doctor is mad. Your visa came. Now my illness is nothing. Eat this. Journey is long.
I'm not hungry, mom. I'm getting late. Agent's car must be coming.
Savitri's face falls. She wraps roti in cloth. Not hungry? Then keep it. Mom's hand roti. In foreign, when tired of bread, this dry roti will remind you.
You too, mom. I go now to free you from this smoke. Watch in 3 years, I earn so much. I'll keep you in golden palaces.
Auto horn sounds. Rohan grabs bags in hurry and leaves.
Come on, bro. I have more passengers to catch.
Rohan sits in auto. It leaves for airport. Savitri runs to door. Rohan, son, take the roti. Roti stays in Savitri's hand. Her eyes get wet.
"6 months gone. That boy went Dubai. And here old lady still runs cart. I hate that cart here. Huh?
Boss, our shop runs well. Heard boy sends money from Dubai.
This is the problem. Her land touches my shop. If old lady pays loan, land slips from my hand. That land price touches sky. I want shopping complex there. I need that land at any cost. I'm not sure how this would be done now. Understand?
What to do, boss? Set fire to house.
Idiot! Police case will come. Do something where snake dies and stick stays whole. Evict that old lady from village itself.
Do not worry, Munshi ji. Villagers will do her job.
But how?
Black magic. You just wait and watch, sir.
Rohan works hard in Dubai. He sends money from transfer office, then calls mom from there.
Mom, money received. You took medicine?
Yes, son. All fine. You take care. Did you eat?
Yes, mom. I ate. Now going to hotel. If need anything, do let me know without hesitation.
Yes, son. Who else to tell you if not you?
Okay, mom. Take care.
Both mother and son go to their work. After Rohan left, Savitri stayed alone. Workload was heavy. One day, a beggar Bablu, lame on one leg, comes to her cart.
Amma, no food for 2 days. Give some rice and water. God will bless you.
You sit, son. I'll give you. Savitri feeds him full mutton rice. Bablu cries while eating.
Amma, tired of this life. I feel shamed begging. If I could do something, please give me some work. I can do anything.
Look, son, my son went abroad. I am alone. If you want, you can help me at my cart. You can wash dishes, sweep, and eat 3 meals here. If there is good profit, then take some money too.
Amma, you are goddess. I will serve you like anything. Hello, mom. Am I audible? You receive money? This time sent early. Had you took medicine?
Yes, son. Money came. I took medicine too. I'm fully fine. Do not worry.
Are you sure? Why your voice is sounding tired?
That is because I woke up quite early today. You tell me, did you eat? Eat on time.
Yes, mom. I will eat. Now going to hotel. You please take care.
Yes, son. I am fine. You take care. That afternoon at Crossroads, Savitri cooks mutton on cart. Bablu was washing dishes and then a motorcycle stops there. Chotan and Billa come to the cart. Bablu gets scared seeing them. Billa steps forward, slaps Bablu hard on head.
Hey, you beggar! What are you doing here?
Sir, I'm helping Amma.
Hey, new begging scheme? Standing on cart? Looks like old lady kept you so people pity and eat her mutton. Wow, what a scheme! See, Billa?
Hey, come on, you beggar. 2 special plates of mutton.
And listen, old lady, leg piece has to be there. Otherwise, this lame Bablu's other leg will not survive. Then how he would walk? 1 leg already bad.
Right said, brother. Let's start collection now. Let's go from here.
There were tears in Bablu's eyes, but he remains quiet. Savitri's hands were shaking, but she quietly puts mutton in plate. Bablu, give them mutton. Give them food, don't argue. Bablu puts the plate forward with shaking hands. Eat, sons. Bablu, set plates nice for both brothers. Eat, sons, eat relaxed.
Now you are on line, old lady. We anyways eat. Now no more drama, huh?
Both the goons of Munshi eat free food with joy, laugh and leave without paying. Savitri and Bablu look at each other and the silence of helplessness spreads around.